Right, okay. It's been about 18 months since I put my Britannic on the shelf because I needed the 3D printed parts. I've now managed to get the STL files, and I got those off the HMHS Britannic Facebook group. Chap called Roman Popatov. He'd made a 1/400 scale Britannic, and he printed 3D printed his own parts off. I asked him if I could have the files. I was willing to pay for them. He says, "Don't worry about it, Wayne, it's fine." So he sent them over, and I've saved them to my computer. So I've got my computer. I've got my Britannic file that I've had on for 18 months, so I'll double click that. And I've got my 3D printed folder here, so I'll double click that. And here's what I've got. So I'll open the gantry davits one first. So I'll double click that, wait for that to open. And as you can see, there it is. I've got, I don't know what the sizes am yet, but I did a quick measurement the other day. I think it probably about 3-4 mil thick from there to there, all square. And from about here to here, you're probably looking at probably about an inch, maybe inch, between inch and a half. I'm not sure, but that's what the davits look like. So I'll go back to my Britannic file. Then I'll probably need, actually to go into the davits, I'll need the 5 sets of those. And then going back to there, I've got the lifeboat as well. And I'm probably going to need about, what was it? I can't remember if it was 5 or 6 lifeboats per davit. So I'm probably going to need about 30 of those. But it's all there. Details really nice. And then I'll go back to the file again. Then I've got 2 lifeboat davits files. I think they're for the standard lifeboat davits, but that looks really nice. I like even the actual cogs and the teeth for the cogs. Them are really nice, man. And then last but not least, I've got this other lifeboat davits file. Then you've got, then you've got a single one as well. So you've got a double and a single. I probably won't need those, to be honest. It's mainly just the gantry davits and the lifeboats. But my only problem is I can't find anybody to print them. I've been on Brit Modeler, and that's gone down like a lead balloon. It's slipping down the order of the actual forum. I've been on the Titanic model kits and research Facebook group, and even though I've posted it, it's been sitting there for a fortnight pending admin approval. So that's gone down like a lead balloon. So I'm just wondering if you guys know anybody in the UK that could print all this off for me. I mean, I asked Roman, and he says, Wayne, he said if you was based in the US, I could do it for you, but because you're based in the UK, they're just going to get damaged. So I'm sure you'll be able to find somebody in the UK that could print them off for you. So if you guys know of anybody in the UK or any people that you use in the UK, if you could, pop me, a comment in the box below. I mean, I've been on Google, and from what I can see, it's professional companies, but I can't find anywhere on their website where it's like, for home use. It looks like it's professional services for companies. I don't know. So if you guys can recommend anybody, that would be great. But like I said, the detail on these is absolutely tremendous. I mean, if you look there, look, with the interior skeleton of those little tiny rods there on the davits. Well, like I said, I saw some on eBay this afternoon, actually this morning, and they was meant that I think there was photo etch, and they wanted £86 plus £25. Well, $86 plus $25 postage. So, and plus also, if you remember, I messaged Tyler over at the the Titanic Model and Research Group, and I've had no luck with him. He's probably too busy. But like I said, I've got the STL files. I've just got nobody to bloody print them. So if any of you guys know anybody in the UK that can print these off for me, I've budgeted £100. So hopefully I can do it well within my budget, you know, to keep her happy. But yeah, just let me know in the comments below, guys. And thank you very much for watching.